back to my YouTube channel and all those who are new to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, I'm Shreya and I'm here to tell you about all the amazing fashion and beauty hacks out there so that you can use in your lifestyle. So yes guys, this video is all about my amazing buy from Zara, and these are all the clothing which I got online at an amazing sale. Yes guys, you heard it right. All of my items are from the sale section. Even some items were so cheap. They were like around $3.99, $4.99. Yes guys, that was an actual cheap range Zara was having at that point. I don't know the sale is still over there or not, but yeah, few days back I saw that the sale was there. Some other staple and basic clothing that Zara never ever puts on sale, and I'm really pissed because यार कभी तो कर ही सकते हैं ऐसे इन सब चीज़ों की भी, बट नहीं, ज़ारा से नहीं हो पाता. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट लाइक some trousers, some of their staple shirts and मतलब tops and everything which they never ever put on sale. So yes guys, those items are not on sale, but some of them are. So yeah, let's dive into it. So yes guys, let's start with my haul now. I'm really excited to show you all. So the first item on my list is this white top, which you can see has a sleeve on one side and is off shoulder from the other side, and I really love it. And also you can see there's like balloon shape going over here. So yeah, I really like these white tops, like because firstly you can style it in so many ways. You can club it with some of your Indo-Western outfits, Western outfits, formal outfits, like you can have like hell lot of ideas in your mind while styling a white top. So yeah, it's a staple in everybody's wardrobe. I really feel that. And also the price guys, you will be shocked. Like this one was for around 1800 and I got it just for 1100, and I'm really sad because I saw it like few days ago. It was on sale and it just retailed for 399. Can you believe it guys? Like, और क्या चाहिए when you have like such a beautiful top in just 399. So yeah, I loved it. So yes guys, next up I have this amazing kaftan green top. As you can see, it's like really huge in size, but that is because the style it has is of a kaftan look. So yeah, I'm really excited to style it, though I have styled it in one way, which was like an Indo-Western outfit on my Instagram channel. So yeah, I'll be linking that video below so you can just check that out as well. And yeah, I have like planned like really cool styles with this one, and I'll be like uploading the video in some time. So yeah, this one was also a really good buy. You can like fusion it with so many different variety of bottom wear, like with a pants, and then you can always style it with a palazzo, everything out there, because this one is a very universal kind of a top which can go with your westerns, Indo-Westerns, even Indian wear. It's just on your mind how you play with it. And also guys, the retail price was a bit expensive. It was for around 3000 and there wasn't any discount on it because this one was from their fresh collection. So yeah, but I really love it. So next up I have this amazing top, which is a check top with amazing neckline over here and also this ruffle thing going on, and I really love it. But the sad part is it's not from the sale collection and I paid around 3000 for this one. So yeah, but I really love it because the material is very summery, and the kind of weather we are having right now, which is very sticky and whatnot, because I don't personally love this weather. So yeah, this is a very summery-ish kind of a material and I love it. So next up I have this amazing dress, which is kind of a turquoise color. I don't know, maybe because of the lighting the color seems a bit brighter, but any which ways I really love it. It's a bit on a loose fit kind of a dress fitting, but that I personally like because I really wanted to style it with some belts, cinch my waist, and that is what I'm planning in my head for this dress. So yeah, I'll be putting some clips of how I have styled my dress, so yeah, you can have a better idea of how to wear them. And also guys, you won't believe this dress is just for 1100. Seriously guys, originally I guess, yeah, originally it is for 2790. Can you believe it? 2790, like 3000 ka dress I just got for 1100. What else I need? I'm like really happy with this piece because of the pricing and at what price I got. Like amazing. Now this is the last piece of my haul, like in terms of top. Then I'll be showing you the bottom wear I ordered. So yeah, this one is a simple black and white kind of a top, and I really love it because the material is very lightweight and also the price is just 399. So casual, like seriously a very affordable, and from a brand like Zara where you just go with a mental status that yeah 3000 or 2500 का तो एक टॉप मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. Like you cannot get a price which is less than that if you are going to Zara. That is a mental mind, you can just say a mind setup when you enter the brand. But yes guys, on their online store I got it just for 399 and a really good piece. You can always wear it when you are going out, like for some, you know what, you can wear it at home as well because 399 is a very cheap and affordable price. And also if you are going just for like a simple outing or for just shopping or something like that, you can always wear these kind of tops. So yeah, I really love it. Now let's move forward to the bottom wear I just got. So this is the first one. This is a paper waist kind of a thing on my trousers going on, and these are like kind of a loose fit ones, and I really love it. And I was like craving for one good white pair of trousers or jeans, anything, and yeah, I got it. So this one was not from their sale collection because I tell you now, Zara people never ever give sale for their staple jeans, jeggings, etc. They will never give that, and that's a very pissed off thing for me because guys यार इतना तो दे ही सकते हो obviously, but they will never do that. So yeah, but this one is a very versatile kind of a trousers I got. You can style it in very many different ways. So yeah, I'll be linking the video in which I have styled this white pants on my Instagram. So yeah, you can see that, and this one is very comfortable as well. Like you can wear it at home also. Now you'll never feel like you are wearing something which is very heavy to wear, as most of the pants, trousers feel like. This one is very comfortable in material as well. And also the other pant I have is also from the same material, exact same thing. The only difference is this one is blue in color, otherwise it has the same paperback thing going on, as you can see, and I love it. And I really drool over these two pants. Like these are like have become my staple thing right now. Like whenever I feel ki yeah, I want to be very comfortable yet look very chic, then these are the only ones I always go for. And these are the pants, you know why I love them also is ki agar aap kahin pe bhi, you know, you are going out and you want to look a bit of a statement thing, you can always go for them. Like the normal jeans would be like a nah kind of a thing for me because they look very regular, but after wearing this jeans you actually give yourself a very statement look, which I love. So yeah, this jeans was for 2590, and I know it's a bit expensive, but yes guys, for a longer period of time you can invest and make yourself look elegant and chic at the same time. Thank you guys for staying till the end of the video. It means a lot to me. I hope you really enjoyed this haul. Like this is my first time doing some kind of a clothing haul. So yeah, please do forgive me for all the errors if I've made any. And also guys, you know the drill. Please do that. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the absolute world to me. And also guys, comment down below which were your amazing and the favorite clothing item from my haul, so that I can review and come up with more such styles for all of you, and you may enjoy the best of it. Bye bye.